The 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, FWD, fog lamps, passenger airbag, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, daytime running lights, heads-up display, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors. Come take a test drive today.